Welcome to Werks. Today I will be upgrading the Creality 3D glass printer bed to a mirror bed and leveling the bed in the process using the dial indicator holder previously printed. This will also show the use of the precision thumb wheels printed in another video. The reason for the bed upgrade was my glass bed on my Creality was not flat. It had about 10 thousandths difference from the high to the low spots. I also checked the level of the aluminum bed and found it to be within a few thousandths. I did level the aluminum bed. I placed the mirror bed and brought the dial indicator to the surface of the mirror and then set the dial indicator to 0. I then ran the indicator around the bed to check its level with the aluminum bed level and found it to be pretty close, but it was not completely level. I ran the indicator to each corner of the bed and adjusted each corner. I did this several times until I was happy that I didn't need to adjust the bed level any further. As a last step, I did check the center of the bed and found it to be within 2 thousandths. I then did a level test print and set the squares to print at 2 mm directly on the mirror bed. I had an adhesion failure. I expected I have some issues with the test on the mirror bed and did see those. To counteract the bed sticking issue I added painter's tape to the bed. I've used hairspray in the past, but I don't like all the cleanup required and the time it requires to clean it up. I carefully placed the tape along the x-axis on the bed because I find it easier to place the tape this way instead of the Y direction. I ensured that it does not have any wrinkles, bubbles, or other issues that will affect the print. When I place the tape on the bed, I smooth the tape as I lay it on the bed with a wooden ruler, and this helps in getting the printer's tape smooth. I cut the painter's tape a little longer than the bed and fold a little length at each end of the tape onto itself. I do this to create a grab point to help with the removal when I need to take the tape off the bed. I then fold the tape under the bed and out of the way. I then continue to cover the entire bed with painter's tape. The print ran well and uneventful, with the exception of a minor flaw at the center square. I decided to go ahead and finish the run and see what happens. The print finished and I measured each corner square to see how close the print was to the 2 mm height or the 79 thousandths that I wanted. The right front measured 1.9 mm, which is 1 mm sharp, which is about 4 thousandths. The left front square measured 1.95 mm, which is about 0.05 mm sharp, or 2 thousandths. The center square measured 1.97 mm, which is 0.03 mm sharp, or a thousandths. The left rear square measured 1.92 mm, which is about 0.08 short, or 3 thousandths. The right rear square measured 1.94 millimeters, which is about 0.06 millimeters short, or 2 thousandths. Close enough for a melted and flowing plastic for today, but time will tell if I need to chase the thousandths or two adjustment at each corner required to bring it closer to the 2 mm height. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.